All right, so this is probably going to be the last video I make in this series for this computer build until maybe I upgrade the GPU. But yeah, I put in this little expansion drive, which is all USB 3.0 plus. I think this is 3.2 and two USB-C 10 gigabyte drives, which is really awesome, super useful. I had the older style ports up here, and I was always having stuff plugged up in here and I needed more space. So I've been wanting to do something with this expansion bay for a long time, so that worked out. Next, I have installed a Be Quiet heat spreader for this SSD. I was using the heat spreader that came with the motherboard, but these things, I don't know why, they are not very good. It wasn't making full contact with the SSD, and my temps were really bad, and I ended up having a drive that died. In the bottom is actually this. I replaced the previous drive that died. I replaced with this WD Black, and it had the heat spreader, so I got this Be Quiet heat spreader for the other drive. This is a 4 terabyte. This is a 1 terabyte. Lots of space in this computer, especially with the, don't know if I can show it, but this is the 6 bay, 2.5 inch SSD SATA bay up there. I am currently installing I just installed a Be Quiet Silent Wings 4 fan in the back. And up in the front, the SilverStone 180 millimeter Air Penetrator fan has been starting to go on me. So I picked up this SilverStone replacement AP183. I think that's exactly what it is, a 183. Yep. 200 millimeter fan mount compatible. But yeah, this is a 180 millimeter fan replacement. So I'm going to put that in next. And yeah, and then we'll be done with this. It's going to be like Indiana Jones, the scene at the end of the movie where they seal up the item and lock it in the vault for forever. I'm going to put this, the case back together, and yeah, the black box will be complete until I replace that right there, my 3080 FE 10 gigabyte model. So it's starting to show its age, and I think I'm going to wait for the 6000 series and then I'll upgrade that. And then that's probably going to be the last upgrade for this platform, for this AM5 build, until maybe I upgrade the CPU. I don't know. I have 96 gigabytes of RAM in this thing right now, and with the way RAM prices are going right now, I feel very lucky that I bought this before things went crazy. So yeah, 96 gigabytes of RAM in here. It's the 9900X Ryzen CPU, 12 cores. It's all good. Great production PC. That's my 4K video capture card. GPU is going to go in there. I tried to figure out what to do with this smaller PCI slot here. And I even bought an extension cable and and I even bought an extension cable, but it was very, very long, the cable, and it comes too close to the GPU fan on the 3080 that's trying to push air out. And so it made me kind of nervous. Like, as a last resort, that's going to be NVMe M.2 expansion somewhere if I can figure that out. But the safer bet would be replace this internal PCIe capture card and use an external card and use this for multi NVMe SSD adapter. So yeah, I think that's probably it for this update on this, and I'll just have one final video showing the build in its entirety and going over things in windows, and we'll call it that. Here it is out of the box. Pretty chunky fan. Doesn't have a back grill on it, which I found interesting. The previous one does, or looks like it does. We'll see when I pull it out. So here's the old air penetrator fan that I removed, and you know, it looks pretty much identical to the new one. But I did notice that the old fan has this extra little connector on it, and that connects to this panel switch right here, so I can like put the fan into high or low mode. It's a 3-pin connector on here, as it is on here as well. But the new one is a 4-pin connector, so this is just gonna have to connect right to my motherboard, and I'll control it in BIOS, I guess. And won't be using that little switch anymore, unfortunately, because I don't see how I'm going to be able to.